The greatest of all time, the guy that created nezabazi, may Allah grant him Jannat. Malakata Muhammad Khan, he's the greatest. He's created it. He makes.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello Zishan. How are you? The video of your horses was very much liked by Pakistani, Europeans, Americans and Arabs. Again I am asking you for the viewers that who is your ideal rider in tent pegging in Pakistan or in the world? Please explain.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम की हाल है सारे भरावां दा मेरा जीशान मनाजर मैं थे मारका ही होना इत्थे वड्डा होना इत्थे मैं पढ़िया ते मैनू नेजाबाजी दा बड़ा शौक लग्या मेरे दादा ते मेरे जेह्ड़ा प्यो सारे खेडदे चाचे भरा सारे खेडदे ने what is my idol in nezabazi? My idol is the greatest of all time, the guy that created nezabazi, may Allah grant him Jannat. Malakata Muhammad Khan, he's the greatest. He's created it. He makes. I love the part that how he really took care of his horses, like everything all around. He was a great guy. He cared for the poor. He made sure, like, if you didn't have a horse or nothing, he put you in his own team. We even have a horse that's from his. We have a son of one of his horses. I'll send a picture by Zafar. He'll probably put in the video for you. He was a great guy. He cared for the horses. He made sure the horses are well. Like nowadays, people don't care about their horses. Like if something goes wrong, they just sell it. They don't even try to even fix it. That was one of the big things that I liked about him. And he cared about the horse. His style of coming out, keeping it right here, and then taking it at the end and hitting it. Like no one can do that type of style. It's really hard. And at the end, showing it to everyone that he hit the killa. And that he's my idol. I look up to him. He's my fan, or I'm his fan. He's not my fan.
Okay, very good. And question number 2, what is the difference between handling horses in Pakistan and USA or Europe?
And the second question was, what's the difference between American horses and Pakistani horses? The Pakistani, Desi horses, I just started out, but from how I've seen is that they're very hot-blooded, they can get a little riled up, they can get out of hand, they're a little bit more aggressive, you can say, so you have to be a little bit, tight, you gotta be strong when you sit on them, like I fell one time too, because I sat a little too loose and I fell over. And that's how you learn, that's how you learn when you become a sawar. You fall, you get up, you sit back, that's how you become a rider. So my dad says, so my grandpa says, so you gotta stay strong on top of the horse. They say it's a Ghazi Mard, it's very strong. So you gotta be a little bit more tough to sit on a Desi horse. And American horses, they're a little bit more, cool-minded, cold-blooded. They're more easier to sit, easy to control. It's the same things basically of the reins, pulling, stopping, going backwards, running, but they're a little bit more easy to control. They're more cold-minded Desi horses. The Pakistani Desi horses, they're more hot-blooded. They're very beautiful animals. I love horses. Doesn't matter what breed. Like my favorite two are Spanish horses and Arabian. So those are my two favorites. And hope everyone's having a good day.